Hey guys, what's up? So I'm on my way to meet this Japanese guy. His name is Kaito. He lives in a shared house in one of the most expensive areas in Tokyo. I randomly saw him on YouTube and I messaged him like, would you mind giving us a house tour? To which he agreed. So let's go and let's meet him. Let's go.
下がってもう一度タッチしてください。
Hey Kaito.
Oh, hey.
Nice to meet you,
Nice to
man.
meet you.
Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
So, are we ready for the video?
Yep. Let me show you my room and this area around.
All right. Okay.
But before that, let me grab my bike, my body.
Okay.
Right?
So, are we close to your house now?
Yep. That is actually my house, my apartment.
Ooh, pretty awesome.
And that is my room.
Oh, it's just
window.
there.
Yeah,
All
it's
right.
there.
So, do you pay for this bicycle parking here or?
No, it's included.
All right. Okay.
Yeah. But I bought my bike, of course.
Okay. Yeah, it's not
But
included.
you need to put the sticker to pull here.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Okay. So that means they are the people who live in this.
Right,
If there's no
exactly.
sticker, they might.
Yeah, they throw them away. For real, for real.
Okay. All right. So let's go inside.
Yep.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So they're working. Is it like too noisy these days?
To be honest, yes.
Oh, all right.
Because of the construction.
So you have your pin cord. Thank you. Wow. I feel like the entrance is pretty like a hotel or something. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
And yeah, so this is my area.
Oh, okay. So I can put my.
Right. So before coming in the room or house, you have to take off your shoes.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a bath, so that everyone can use, but it's busy. Like some people use at the same time. Or and also this is the laundry and dryer, and we have to use we have to put coins to use dryer. But this one is free. Laundry is free, but
All right.
this dryer is 100 yen for 20 minutes or something.
So the detergent and everything is there when you put the coins, or you have to get your own detergent and.
Yeah, need to own detergent.
All right. Okay. I
Yeah,
see.
but I use it almost every week.
Okay. Cool.
And if you want to book the bathroom, not bathroom, bath, I will like, oh shoot, I will write like from 9 p.m. or something like that, so that people booked together at the same time.
Oh, that's very good. And what is that? Please do not. What is that? Some kind of a rule or something?
Like Japanese people like change the color,
Mhm.
hair color.
All right.
But if you do that here, it's get like a dirty or a color. So please do not do that in bathroom.
All
no,
right.
bath here.
Okay. So what's this?
It's a kitchen.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, everyone can use. So I came to here every morning.
Uh-huh.
Anyway, this is a kitchen, 2 kitchens, and this is shelves.
All right.
So
Okay.
this is my area. Yeah, this only one.
Oh, okay, only one.
Very small.
All right. Okay.
And I
Okay.
have coffee here or MCT oil.
Mhm.
So any other utensil you can use freely.
All right. Okay.
It's quite well equipped.
So these plates and spoons were provided by the company.
Yeah, provided by the company, so I don't have to buy anything
Mm.
to move. There is no dishwasher
Okay.
because it's not typical. I mean, it's not popular to have dishwasher in Japanese, like kitchen in Japan. And
Right.
there's like a TV as well.
Cool.
And AC.
I feel like the whole setup is really cool. Like
Yeah.
you have a nice table.
Yeah.
You can sit here.
Also, I can work there. there is a Wi-Fi as well,
Mm.
which is included
Oh, right.
in the rent fee.
Cool. All right.
Sometimes it's busy, like
Oh,
we cannot cook when I want to.
All right.
That's so bad. But
Is there like in the bathroom? You said you schedule your.
here no, there's no.
So you can come anytime if it's available.
Right.
Cool. Got
That's
it.
only downside.
All right. Okay.
So this is bad only for men.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Wow. Super clean.
It's super clean. Right.
Mm. By the way, who cleans them? Like it's.
Oh, the company who offers this house outsource the cleaning company.
All right. Okay.
And this is like unisex,
all
but
right.
the same
All
same
right.
one.
Okay.
This is the other room.
All right.
This is another shower area.
Oh, okay. How many showers do you have here? Can we go?
2 for unisex
Mhm.
and 1 for only for women. So women has 3.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So this is another laundry,
All right.
but there is no dryer here.
All right. Okay.
You can only put wash clothes.
Mhm. So I realize like every room has that locker, like a. You don't have a key, like it's like a pin code.
The half and half. Like my room here,
Mm-hmm.
I need to have a key.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Like this.
All right.
Oh, and also this is small sink.
Oh, right. Okay. So if you really have to like wash your face and just
Right,
go.
wash hands
all
or
right.
wash hands. And this is for maybe women.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay.
Anyway, this is my room.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah, turn on light.
Go. Right.
Yep. So this is my room.
Da, 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 da.
A lot of gadgets, but
All right. That's like a storeroom or something?
close it.
Okay, that's a closet where you can.
turn on.
Oh, can I?
Yeah.
All right, okay.
I'm a very minimalist.
All right,
I
okay.
travel around, so I
Mhm.
keep minimize my stuff.
Okay.
But still a little bit messy, but
That's okay. I mean, it's okay. And this is your small
Yeah.
refrigerator where you can put your food and all. All right, cool. That's wonderful.
Like, honestly, that was his room. There's nothing much to show.
Okay, so I wonder, how much rent do you pay for this?
Around $1,100.
$1,100. Wow, that's pretty expensive.
Yeah, the main reason is location. It's exactly in the middle of between Shibuya and Shibuya and Roppongi, which are the most famous area in Japan.
Oh.
Like a center or a tourist area.
Okay. You said it's $1,100. Is it because you are living in a shared apartment, right? That's why it's $1,100. What if it was only your room? How much would be the cost then?
Good question. For example, upstairs there are an apartment, like private apartment, not shared,
All right.
which costed about $1,700.
Wow.
The cheapest one is $1,400.
All right.
but-
And they're this small, like not even.
Yeah, like this, almost the same.
Wow.
I checked it to whether I should live there, but doesn't make sense to me. But still a little bit expensive. But the apartment and then around here it's very expensive.
All right. What is something you love about living in a shared house?
Good question. I have a lot.
Okay.
For example, we can communicate with people,
All right.
especially in Japan. There are a lot of in sharing house, there are a lot of non-Japanese people,
Oh,
so
right.
that I can communicate with.
All right. Okay.
And otherwise, we do not speak English in daily life.
All right.
So to me, for as a Japanese, it's a very good opportunity to speak English.
Right.
And I met my girlfriend, the current girlfriend, the previous sharing house.
Oh, all
So
right. Okay.
that's why that's my favorite
All right,
aspect.
All right. So this house, how many people? Do you have any idea how many people are sharing the?
Like
apartment?
around 12.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video today, and I hope you enjoyed this short tour of Kaito's apartment. I'm sure that you might have further questions if you're planning to travel to Tokyo or if you're planning to live here or study here. I'll put all the information about his SNS. He has also his YouTube channel in the description box below. So if you have further questions, you can directly ask him. Other than that, please take care of yourself and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, smile.